Hello, I'm Li Qing from China, and I applied for the graduate program Public Relations offered by Boston University. The first thing I want to say is about my plan to advance my community when I graduate. After graduation, my short term is to join a company in this field. Since my college major is not PR, I really need to work in a real company to gain work experience, to solidify the theory I learned at school, and to know the operating mechanism in this field. My long term is to join an NGO to develop myself in development of PR and to improve the communication between two organizations or even countries. Second is about a person who influences me most. He is Kai-Fu Lee. I started to know him by his autobiography and 7 letters he wrote to college students. And he is the cover of his book that is titled by The World is Different Because of You. He is not only a successful businessman but also a teacher who guides college students about career planning and development. He has worked in big companies like Microsoft and Google, but at the top of his career, he decided to go back to China, open his own company, aims at helping young students open up their own business. The reason that he did all this without hesitation is that he said in his book, "Follow your heart." He believes that you need to follow your heart, know exactly what you want and how to get it, and then you can make a difference. It is this thought that pulled me through when I failed my college entrance examination, helped me to make up my mind to change for the major I love for graduate study, and most importantly, teach me to strive for what I want and never give up. Second is I'd like to introduce my hometown Taiyuan. It's capital of Shanxi province, which is located in the middle of China. The first thing I want to tell you is about the delicious foods. Noodles are highly reputed all over China, as well as the vinegar. People here are very creative because many delicious snacks are made of one material, flour, like noodles with various sauce, pancake, steamed dumplings, and so on. And here are some pictures of it. It's 刀削面, it's 油面, it's 焖面. They all look very good, right? But remember, they are only the tip of the iceberg. And second is about the long history of Taiyuan. Taiyuan is an old city with over 2,500 years, and it was also an important military town in ancient times. Thanks to the long history, Taiyuan now has a wealth of tourist attractions. And among them, Jingci and Twin Tower Temple are the symbols of Taiyuan. Jingci has more than 1,400 years history. And it's a picture of Twin Tower Temple. It is famous for its unique architectural structure. And another famous historical site is Tianlongshan Stone Cave, where many magnificent sculptures dating back to Tang Dynasty. Well, that's all I want to say in this video. Thanks for your time for watching this, and I sincerely hope I can have the chance to meet you and study in Boston University. By the way, the Chinese New Year, the traditional Chinese New Year Spring Festival is just around the corner. Happy New Year to you all, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.